to everyone. This is Sasireka. I am from CSC department. I am working as assistant professor. So I got opportunities to help some students trouble in how to install Tomcat server in IP laboratory. So here I was able to solve this problem.
So first go to the Google and download the Apache Tomcat. Apache Tomcat download app. It will be show for the official websites and go to the link and your left hand side there are multiple versions available for download. So I am going to download the Tomcat version 9.0 which is the latest version and come down the little bit we have to download for zip file or your 32 bits and 64 bits. So Windows services are available here. The services are installer. I am going to download as a Windows service installer. It's open and then click next and then agree and select setup type as full and come next. This is default port setting available. So install a JRE path. If your environment variable set for Java, it will be selected automatically. Otherwise you have choose manually. But anytime you have install a Java before installing the Apache Tomcat. The installation are started. Before the opening services, it will be crash check whether the Apache installed successfully. Go to C drive and program file and Apache software foundation. We can start. Okay, so it is open now. So okay, look at Apache Tomcat version 9.0. So open. I am going to start manually. Click on services. I'm going to start. Then go to C drive, program files and Apache software foundations, Tomcat 9.0 and then click for that bin. See your services there. The services open here. Then go to, then page will be open to see here. We can choose for that manually. Then click OK. And go to your browser and HTTP localhost 8080 and default. So you can see here the page will be open. Then see the Tomcat installed successfully. So I am going to open Eclipse. Now I am going to open Eclipse. So Eclipse is Eclipse open now, otherwise server is not open here. Then you go to window, so Eclipse open now. The server is running here. So just you go to window, show, view and others. Click on here, add to Apache Tomcat version. Here add to server. Click on the next. Apache Software Foundation and and then select Apache Tomcat version 9.0 and then click next button and browse which drive, that is C drive, and click program files and then click for the Apache Software Foundation. You can choose for that Apache 9.0 and then click OK and click to the next button. If you have any other services here, just you click add on, otherwise you just click for that finish. So just start your server. I'm going to start the services. So I am getting some error here. So because services is already running, what telling me go to back services and stop your services. Right click and stop the services. So why I am set is manually, because every other restart your services will automatically start it. So while you are starting your first time of Eclipse after your machine restarted, so we have to manually go to the services. You have to stop here. In order to bypass that, I have to set the manually, because we are going to run this Apache Tomcat only in Eclipse. So set as manually. The services is started here. Now I am created new services, new project for that web services, dynamic web project. I am going to create for the name as create for the dynamic web project. It name as app1 app1. The file name as here I given for that app1. That is project name here, and click next and click next. Here content display we can select, after click for that next button. Finished. So here services already default the file name is created for web.xml. Now I am create for the index.jsp file. Just you go to right click and new, the project others. you can select for that JSP file. JS, just you type here and select for that file name. For example, here I put the name of index.jsp and then click for next and then click for finish. So here it will be show for the sum of error. The service library is not available here. So you just add that library files. Here I input the name of the hello world. So right click and go to properties. After that you select for the project facts and here select for the dynamic web page and then select for the runtime Apache Tomcat and then apply. So we look at here, it will be added for that libraries. So here it's available all the libraries in our services. Just you click on the app, refresh your services. It will be show for that added library functions here. Then restart your Tomcat services and clean everything. Then started your services. After started, you just add for the services app name, just you add and finish. Just restart your services. Then started. After successful started, you go to browser and type here localhost 8080 and file name of application name. Here put that here. It will be show for the hello world printed successfully. So here we have integrated with Eclipse.
Thank you all for listening to my presentation.